Okay, I'm Jeffrey Benson. So today I'm going to be showing you secrets to owning a huge trading account. I've done it. A lot of other successful traders, they've also done it. And this video will also be available on YouTube. I also share it on my channel, Telegram channel, and links of the Telegram channel is going to be included on my description box on YouTube, and every other links that I'm going to be talking about in this video, how to get it, what to do, and how to get everything. In short, how to get everything. All right. So today we're going to be talking about secret to owning a huge trading account, prop firm, and forex trading. Since we are Fire Peeps community, we are all about forex trading majorly. Okay. This same style work in other firm. So now let's go ahead. Why did I come about? How did I come about this whole process owning a huge trading account based on the question that I've been asked in the past by my students on YouTube and on Telegram? The questions include: how do I become consistent in forex trading? How do I make more money? How do I have a huge trading account? Now, some people have discovered that they are very good at trading, but the problem, the challenge they have most time is insufficient account or risk capital, what they are willing, what they have to risk. So you trading with $200 or trading $100, even $1,000 may not be sufficient for you, because trying to put a 0.1 lot size and you're having 100 pip, whenever you got wipe on that 100 pip, you have a huge drawdown there, then which may affect your psychology. So it is better you get a better account to trade, okay, for lesser money. So that's the secret. That's what gave birth to this research. So I started researching on how we can get a huge trading account, how to tackle that question. Okay. So exactly. Then the big question now started: where do I go to? How do I get these trading accounts? Who will trust me with their hard-earned money for me to trade for them? Okay, what means? So I started searching. I've done this search for about more than 6 months. I've tried it. This step I'm about to show you is a step that is proven and tested by me and by other successful traders all around the world. They have their live offices. They have their office in Czech Republic. This company I'm about to tell you on what to do is just a trick that not many people are aware of. Although if you have heard about it, I believe I'm going to share more light. You may not have understood enough the way I'm about to explain right now. So it's still very important you still stick around. So the question that gave birth to it, that's what I've just enumerated, is: how do I get consistent? These guys, they teach you, they don't just give you money to trade. They teach you on how to be consistent in forex market by giving you tools, necessary tools like metrics, account metrics. That account metrics help you to weigh how you are placing trades, give you analysis and statistics. They also have statistical application, give you statistics on the trades you place, where you make more money, so that you can measure on where you make more money and where you make the highest loss, so you know what you are doing, what is making you not to make more money, or what is making you to make those losses. So this company really have a whole lot of tools available for all traders. Now, what is a prop firm trading? Now, the solution to having a huge forex trading account is by using a proprietary firm. Proprietary firm. Now, a proprietary trading firm is when a trader trades stock, bonds, or forex, which is currencies or commodities or their derivative, or any financial instrument, with the firm's own money. Okay, contrary to depositors' money, in order to make a profit for itself. So prop firm trading, I will just go again. Prop firm trading is occurs when a trader, like we are traders in Fire Peep community on your here on YouTube channel, you're probably looking for how to make your account bigger, like trading with 100,000 instead, as opposed to trading with $200 or $500, where the wins will not make much meaning. Okay, so this company are ready to give you this money, $100,000, to trade for them, while you keep maximum profits, while they also take a part of the profit. You do the work, they bring the money, they own the risk, you just trade and you make money. So that's it, right? Now, another question I'll be popping up in your head right now, you say, why do they give so much cash to me? Is it that they love me? They don't even know me. They barely know me. So why would they want to risk their money? Now, my understanding of a prop firm is that you are trading founders' money or the company's money. It could be, for example, 4 people, each of them put in $1,000. Okay, they trade the 4,000 because there are 4 people. They bring in for 1,000 each. So they trade the 4,000 together. With 4,000, you can take bigger positions, tolerate more risk, and get higher leverage than you could with just $1,000, as opposed to you trading on your own. Okay. The other way is that one member puts up the $4,000 and it takes 50% of the profit and 100% of the risk. That's another way. One member brings in $4,000 while he takes 50% of the profit and takes 100% of the risk. In case anything happens to the account, it takes the risk. So anytime you are using someone else's money, you are doing it to cheat time. So that's the reason why they give so much money to we traders. All right. So the time it would have taken you to turn 1,000 into 4,000 would take like 6 months. That's for argument's sake. It could even take more and it could take less, and you may even eventually lose everything. Okay. So the $4,000 is saving 6 months of work. There are 3 ways you pay for something. It's either by treasure, by time, or by talent. And another good reason why they are giving so much cash is for them to diversify their portfolio. Not that they are not good traders, they are very fantastic traders. In fact, they have algorithms that they use in trading. They have expert advisor that they use in trading. Okay. So the more reason why they give it is that so that they can diversify their portfolio. They don't have their um, money concentrated with just a few trader, which is in their hand. So in case they are definitely trying times, you all know what happened to my account at some point. There was time that we were making real huge. There was some time that we made $20,000 in a day. Sometimes we even made more. Okay, like on my own personal account. But what happened at some point, there was a huge crash as a result of the Brexit news. So in order to avoid all of those things, that's why those those prop firm, they will want to diversify their portfolio by giving traders after they must have gone series of tests with them. So this firm that I'm going to introduce to you, the test is very simple. Everything is so straightforward. So now let's delve right into it. Then another thing you also be thinking right now is rules of thumb in selecting a prop firm to trade with. Now there are various prop firms to trade with. Okay, I'm not going to mention other company names. There are a whole lot of them, and I've tried a handful of them. So today, for me to have selected these guys, for me to have wanted to introduce you guys to these people, this company that I trade with, these were the things that I looked at. Are their goals achievable? Achievability. Is it achievable? So the first answer that I got was yes, it was actually very achievable. There are some firms that they will give you some targets or some maximum loss that is not achievable because you will not be able to trade, you'll not be able to place trade, and you'll not be able to make tangible. There's no enough room for you to place stop loss. Okay. There are some people like that. There are some firms like that. Then another second thing I look at is fees. Do they pay recurrent fee every month? But these guys, theirs is not so. Another thing I look at leverage. How much leverage? Since I'm giving this money, the more the leverage, the more risk I'm to take on that account. Okay, leverage. A lot of people have this misconception that leverage is a bad thing. Trust me, it's not a bad thing if you know how to use it to your advantage. Then the fourth thing I look at is profit target. The profit target is, does it make sense? Okay, is my profit target equal to the maximum loss? Okay. And another thing I look at again is maximum loss. What drawdown? How much drawdown am I giving? How much breathing room am I giving to trade with their capital? All right. Another thing I look at their long-term plan. What is their plan for me? Not just me just trading for them. Do they have plan for me? Do they have me at heart? So those are the things that I looked at before choosing this firm. So now the name of the firm is FTMO. It's that simple. Now, what is FTMO? You want to ask. So I chose these people because of their simple definition. Now, FTMO is a project which is looking for successful traders. What they are just looking for, they are looking for me and you to trade their funds, successful traders to trade their funds. So in other words, to ascertain if a trader has all the qualities they seek, they develop a two-step evaluation course. A two-step evaluation course that is stage 1 and stage 2 that they use to evaluate you whether you are good enough for them. So these two steps consist of the challenge and the verification. So the step 1 is challenge stage, step 2 is verification. After after those two steps, then you become their funded trader. They give you real money to trade. No joke. No joke. All right. The course is specifically tailored to discover trading talent within you. They give you tools to trade with. They have statistical applications to calculate, to help you with your calculations. They help you with money management skills and everything. Path for a trader is challenging, and our educational application, account analysis, and performance psychologists are here to guide every one of us that are signing up with FTMO. All right. So once you are able to complete this FTMO, their challenge is they're going to give, let's say, for example, you register for a 100,000 account. Once you pass the challenge stage, which I'm going to be showing you what it takes for you to pass. I'm going to be explaining everything in its entirety. You pass the challenge stage, you pass the verification stage, which is much more simpler. Then you become an FTMO trader. What that means is on top of that 100,000, let's say you make 10% on top of that, you are going to keep 70% to yourself, while the company take 30%. That's juicy, because I've been trading for a lot of people for like 2 years now, doing a palm account and stuff like that. The highest profit I've shared with someone, even when I do the trading, is 50%. That's I'm giving. That's if the person is really, that's one of the last ones. The person is really generous. Okay. So for you to have a company where they give you money, they trust you, they still train you, they give you tools, they give you applications that will help you, and they are giving you 70% on top of what you make. That's really nice. All other companies, maximum that I've seen, all other companies give is 50%. A lot of them, they give 50%. And why they take 50%? So that's why you should also choose FTMO. So now let's go further. So now, this is their website, and this is how the FTMO challenge looks like, the verification and the FTMO trader. So they're just simple 3 steps. There are 3 easy and achievable steps. That's how I call it. They are very easy and they are achievable once you know what you're doing. All right. So number 1 stage, the FTMO challenge is the first step of the evaluation process. You need to succeed here to advance into the verification stage. You prove your trading skills and discipline in observing the trading objectives, which I'm still going to show you. They have trading objectives. For FTMO challenge, there's an objective. There are rules that are going to guide you. For verification, there are still the same rules that are going to guide you, but now it's more lenient. Since once you are able to pass the first one, then trust me, there are high chances that you will definitely become the FTMO trader. So verification stage is the second one and the last step towards becoming the FTMO trader. You pass this one, then you will be given a real money to trade with. Then you cannot be referred to as FTMO trader. Then you becoming a trader of the FTMO proprietary trading firm. Trade risk-free. You receive 70% of your profits, be consistent, and earn even more capital. The more you trade, let's say you are making 10% every month. Once you make 10%, your capital they are giving will be increased with 25%. Now, let's say you started with $100,000. Then if you make 10% on top, which is going to be $110,000, then you're going to be giving 25% of 100,000, which is 125,000 to trade with. So they keep increasing your capital as long as you meet that 10%. Okay. So now, easy to meet trading objectives. Here are the trading objectives. All right. Number 1, there are different categories based on capital. They have the one of $10,000. They have the one of $25,000. They also got the one of $50,000, and they also have the one of $100,000. Now I'm going to explain everything with the trading objective. First, let me go with trading objective. Now, looking at this first column right here, step 1, FTMO challenge. They give you 30 days. 30 days to complete this challenge. Is very achievable. I have done it. Is achievable. All right. So 30 days to complete this challenge. Then the minimum trading days, you have 10 trading days. Out of these 30 days, you technically have 20 to 22 days because we have Saturday and Sundays in between, and we are not trading. We are forex traders. All right. It's not like volatility where the trade is always moving, or Bitcoin, cryptos where the trade is always moving weekend. So technically we have 20 days, okay, to 21 days. So what this minimum trading day simply means is you have to place trade at least 10 days. You have to be present to show that yes, you are taking this whole thing serious. All right. Then the maximum daily loss is, you shouldn't, if you are selecting this one, is because I selected 50,000, which is their default, is the commonly most used plan, 50,000. So the maximum daily loss is $2,500. So if you lose $2,500, you are expected to stop trading for that day and wait. So do you know this, with this trading style, you can trade from for anyone around the world. You can trade any fund, you can trade anything. So if you pay and you are taught this discipline, for me it's enough. There are some mastery classes that I pay just to learn money management and risk management, and things that I learned there, they are not even as compared to what I gain here. The value I gain here, because it's being practical. I'm being forced to do it, and I also have tools that are guiding me. So that's another reason why it's a very great idea. So the maximum loss is 5,000. That is the maximum you can, worst come to worst, within that month, the maximum you can lose on that account is $5,000. You cannot lose more than $5,000 in order for them to cut their losses. All right, because they are really taking a whole lot of risk here. Then the profit target that they allow, that they want you to just make, they want you to make 10% on top of the 50,000. 10% on top of the 100,000, 10% on top of your 25,000, 10% on top of the 10,000. So 10% on 10,000 is just $1,000 you are required to make. On 25,000, you need 2,500 US dollars. On 50,000, you need 5,000 US dollars. On 100,000, you just need to make 10,000, like that. Okay, that's for the first stage. That's for this first step. Then the second step, the verification now takes 60 days, even much longer. Just everything remains the same thing. Now, what is different is the target. The target is flashed with 50%. So you don't longer have to make 5,000 for them. Just make 2,005 to prove yourself, to pass this verification stage. So if you are able, see the reason why I said if you're able to pass this FTMO challenge, then verification should be a peanut for you, because you have a longer time and you have a shorter profit target to meet. Now, for 50,000, what you need to pay is just 345 euros. Now, here's how I want you to look at it. Okay, first, let me finish. Then, if you want to become the FTMO trader, step 3, become a FTMO trader. Now, you're no longer giving day to meet any target. There's no day. You can trade anytime, as long as whenever you make profit and you want to make withdrawal, tell them, they'll pull out your money for you. Yes, it works. Live testimony right here. You can see, check their website, which I'm going to share you the link on where to go and how to go about everything. Okay, we are working together in this whole thing. If you are interested, you definitely drop a message for me on my personal chat. I will talk to you. All right. So everything on this FTMO trader, the profit target is, you can make any amount, whatsoever amount you make, you're going to collect 70%, while they take 30%. So it's infinity. Then refund. Why refund is written here? This money you pay right here, for you to have a $50,000 challenge, you have to pay 345 euros. All right. So do not bother. This money will be refunded to you. Whereas all other firm, they charge you monthly basis. There's one I know that you are charged $100. Some they charge you $200 monthly. But this guys is just one off. And this payment you make, once, if you're able to get to this FTMO trader, this money will be refunded back to you plus your 70%. Let's say you started with $50,000 and you pay 345 euros. So once you're able to get to the FTMO and you make profit, let's say you make 10%, which is 10% of 50,000, that would be 5,000. So that would be 70% of 5,000 would be, let's say, 3,005 thereabout. So you'll be giving 3,005, your 70% plus the refund of the money of the payments you make for this challenge. All right. I'm not sure if I'm getting any calculations wrong, but that's how it works. They are going to be giving 70% plus the money, your fee that you pay initially. So for verification, you don't pay, it's free. The only place you need to start to pay is just to get started, to show your interest. Pay money, show interest. You're given an account to trade a demo. Then you have this stage, you pass this stage, and once you pass this stage, you have to pass this one, then your money will be refunded to you plus other benefits. Now, I edited it by putting this amount you need. For $10,000, you need 155 euros. For $25,000, you need 250 euros. For 50,000, you need 345 euros to sign up. Why for 100,000, you need 540 euros to sign up. Now look at it this way. Instead of funding your account with 250 euros or with 155 euros, which will still get blown along the way, most especially because you don't have enough money, you don't have enough equity to move profits. So why not just subscribe with this guy? That was my thinking. Now I'm just trying to let you into my head. That was my thinking before I subscribed with them, before when I was trying to think about this whole process. So why not just use that same money to deposit on your own private account? Why don't you use it to try this thing out and have a bigger fund to trade with, and with better money management, teaching you alongside to become a very good professional trader? So just give it a thought. You may start small. You can start with 10,000. You can start with 25 based on what you know. You know, the more money you have, the more profit you make too. And also make sure you invest money that you know you can afford to risk to at this point. All right. So now, what's the benefit of trading for FTMO? Now, this is the reason why I chose FTMO, and the reason why I'm also telling you guys to give these guys shots. All right. I know Fire Peep is a community where we share educational content. If there's anything that you know that I don't know, tell it to me. So that's the reason why we are here for one another. And so what's the reason and the benefit of trading for FTMO? Okay. Number one is one-time fee only, and that fee is even refundable once you pass. All right. Then number two, the fee, number two, the fee will be reimbursed to you. Will be reimbursed to you plus your profit. Then number three, no limits or restriction on your trading style. Whether you're a day trader, you're a scalper, or your trading style is allowed, whether you're a swinger, your trading style is allowed here. As long as you have those trading objectives, those rules in check, you are good. There are some, they select, they only want day trader. There are some companies like that, they only want day traders. So, but for these guys, any type of trader fits in. So that's giving us more room there. And there's no, that the fourth thing now, no limit on the volume traded. You can trade any lot size as long as you do not breach that rule. Whereas there are some other companies, your lot size are restricted. All right. So the fifth thing is no limits on tradable instruments. You can trade Forex, you can trade commodities, you can trade indices, you can even trade cryptocurrencies, you can trade stocks, you can trade metals like gold, silver, palladium, all of those things, etc. No limitations. You are not being controlled on what to do, whereas other companies, you are being controlled. You're not allowed to trade volatile pairs. All right. So sixth thing is you have access to trading applications that will help guide you. Then the seventh thing is a thorough account analysis for every account. Whenever you finish particular challenge, whether you fail or you pass, they are going to be given an analysis by professional traders. They will tell you where you need to work on, if you need to scale to the next level, or if you fail that particular one, which is still fine for me. Then this eighth thing is the best trading condition. Okay, the best trading condition, 1:1 of lot. That is, you are required to make 5,000. For example, for 50,000, and you are required to make 5,000, and the loss that you are being given, the maximum loss is also 10%. You are required to make 10%, and the maximum is 10%. So that's 1:1, which is very, very fair. Some people have 1:6, 0.6. Yes, I've done a lot of calculations before I decided with these guys. Then the eighth thing is a wide choice of broker in the challenge. You are not restricted to one broker. You can either choose from XM, IC Market, they are FTMO. They are not a broker, but they are affiliated to one of the broker. They are not a broker. They will always tell you that. So there are a lot of brokers. The one accepting United States citizens, for Canadians, Africans, for Australians, any part of the world that you may be, Europe, any part of the UK, all of their brokers, they are all present there. So you have choice of platform, you have MT4 choice, you have MT5, and you have C Trader. And the leverage is 1:100, as opposed to the other firm that I know, which is 1:3. All right, so those are the benefits. Now, what I need you to do is to go in using this link. that I have here for you. Now, the benefit of using this our affiliate link in FirePeep is that we will make sure we take you by hand till you succeed. We are going to work hand in hand together. We are going to be organizing a call once in a week to fast track our progress. Like, I'm going to put up a call like this. Then we're going to be checking each other's account to check what are you not doing right, what are you doing, how do you need help, what based on our own experience, because I've gone through these processes. I know the things that you may not know because you're just starting out. That's if you're hearing this for the first time, then I'll teach you the right money management. I'm going to teach you the right money management to use. All right. So kindly join us using our affiliate link. If you are hearing this for the first time from us, it is only nice and fair that you join through our affiliate link, which is this one that you see right here on the screen, which is http/ this one. I shorten it, and I'm still going to be dropping it on my YouTube description box. Please kindly check right there. It's going to be the first link on the on my description box, and I'm also going to be dropping it on my Telegram channel, and I'm also going to be dropping it on our group chat. So try as much as possible to make use of the link. All right, because you've got nothing to lose. Once you sign up using our link, then you send me a message, then I'll make sure I add you, I make sure I put you as one of my preferences, those among those that I'm going to be sending the link to. Once we are going to be, if you want us to work together, so I'm going to be sending you the link so we can share experience together, can share on how to be successful and how to succeed in this prop firm trading. Now, here's one more thing. I want to run through the frequently asked questions. Okay, first, let me take you to the trading objective and just switch it for you. And here's how it looks like. Okay, these are the same thing I showed you before, but right now, let me just switch it to 100, 10,000. 10,000, you have to pay 155, as I've said earlier. And you can see everything still remains the same thing. If you change to 25,000, you have to pay 250 euros. No, sorry, euros, not dollars. So for 50,000, you have to pay 345 euros. For 100,000, you have to pay 540 euros. It's that simple. So if you want to switch from normal to aggressive, that is, you want them to increase your maximum loss aggressive, so the money will also increase. But I don't advise any of my persons, people that I refer to, select aggressive, okay, because I don't like it too. So I just like to be very conservative with what I'm doing. So what it does do for 50,000, they're going to replace it with the same, with the amount you're supposed to have used, that which you are supposed to have used for 100,000, which is 540. They'll give you 50. So the same thing also happened for 25. They're going to give you for 345. That's for aggressive, but just keep it simple and choose normal. Okay, if your strategy is not good enough and you're failing at this point, then you have to change your strategy or just work on something, work on your money management, or change, just tweak, have a tweak on your strategy, just do something. Now, the frequently asked question, I know I've answered majority of them from my simple explanation. If you still have questions, if there's any way you're still confused, you can still message me or just ask in the private, in the comment box on YouTube, or you can ask in our Telegram channel, or channel or group chat. I will definitely answer them. Now, this one I want you to say now, I have successfully passed the challenge. Now, what's next? Now, let me expand this one and you read it. You also want to go through this same process. You have successfully passed the challenge. Now, what? So after you have passed all the trading objective in challenge, you will see a blue notification in your trading matrix informing you about your success. You don't need to trade your account anymore. Once your trading objective are marked as passed, will be automatically alerted that you have passed your challenge and will contact you accordingly. Our company will then proceed to evaluate your trading results, and we will then send you the new account login credentials for the verification stage. This process may take between 1 to 2 working days because it's being done by human beings. It's not robotic. So they have to take time and confirm, look at what the challenge that you passed. You have to look at it one after another, look at the processes, look at the lot sizes you use, then they move you to the next stage. Everything is very, very simple. So you can actually come here. I'm also going to drop this link to this frequently asked question on my Telegram channel. As a matter of fact, let me do that right now so that those that are here can just hear the frequently asked question. So I'm going to drop it right here. There you have it. That's the link. And another thing again is the link, the affiliate link. Just give me a moment. Let me get that out. All right, here is it. Let me forward it to the channel. So anyone you can use this link. Just send me a message once you sign up with it. If you sign up with this link, just go right now, start with a demo. And another thing is what you have, they have demo. It's not necessary you sign up now. If you don't have money, just click on this link, just sign up, fill in, give them your details. So once you give them your details, I'm going to be alerted that you signed up, stuff like this. It's supposed to come out. Okay, let me log out. Let me log out and click on it again. Let me log out. All right, so let me go click on it one more time and see if it will. Yeah, just click on this. It should bring up a form where you need to fill a sign up exactly like this. So a sign up form for FTMO, just put your name in here, then click on sign up, agree to all these things. So once you are done, you are going to have a client login area, just like as I had there. Then you click on free trial, request for a free trial. That free trial will last you for they give you 14 trading days, which is enough for you to test your own trading ability. So once you pass that, or once you feel you can go straight ahead, like me, I went straight ahead. Although I've tried 2 free trials, there was one I failed, the second one I passed. So immediately I passed that one, I tried at the second one. First, I went straight ahead without checking out the free trial. So when I failed that one, I have to come back again, work on my free trial, 2 free trials. Then I passed. Then that was when I made my success. So you can just start with a free trial right now. Once you start now, they're going to send you the credentials tomorrow. Once the market open, once they are live in their office. So these guys, they have their office in Czech Republic, in Prague. They have their office there in Czech Republic. So these guys are real. So make sure you check out their frequently asked questions so that you can get more information about them. They trade a lot, or you can trade any position you want. So they have, now you can, let's say if you pass the first stage now, let me go back to this point. You know, so there are a whole lot of questions popping up. I'm going to create another link I'm going to send to you for questions and answers. So once this link expires, I'm going to send you another link where you can ask your question. Then that will just be for discussion. So now let's say you registered for 100,000 account. Once you register and you pass and you're already an FTMO trader, you are making money on that one consistently. And they refunded your 540 euros since you passed everything. So that 540, you could actually invest it again and buy another account, another 100,000. You're allowed to have 300,000 dollars is allocated to per trader, to one trader. So you can buy 100,000 3 times. So if it's $50,000 you are trading, you can buy it 6 times. So everything can equate to 300,000. That's the maximum you can buy. So as you keep on trading, they keep on giving 70%. Now just imagine you having $300,000 account, and you are earning 77% on the returns you make. That's massive, man. That's massive. So that's a little secret that I've been working on and I've been using. You guys should also give this in a trial. I'm going to send you a message right now. I'm going to end this link, this webinar now. I'll send you another link so that you can ask questions. I do not want to make this video too lengthy for the sake of those who are listening to me on YouTube. So have a nice day. So if you have any question, make sure you ask me in the comment box. If you like this video, press the like button. And if you have any question, or if you have any request of any video you want me to make, I'm also going to be making videos on any course, on any topic on Forex trading. So feel free to ask, and I'll definitely and especially make it for you. And as much as I enjoy making this video, I'm sure you also enjoy watching it. All right. So if you do, also let me know in the comment section. All right, guys. Thank you and bye.